Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Techno Minute. Today we'll be taking a look at the Xiaomi Mi Band 2. Now the Mi Band is a more affordable alternative to a Fitbit, and if you're looking for an inexpensive option to do some light fitness tracking, then the Mi Band 2 may just be your answer. Now this comes as no surprise. The unboxing experience is simple, clean, and to the point. Inside the box we get the band, a small USB charger, the Mi Band 2 device, and a user guide. Now the device itself is separate from the band and it's quite small. It features a 0.42-inch OLED display, and while this isn't very big, it gets the job done just fine. So when it comes to simple tracking and notifications, it turns out that you don't really need a very big screen. Turning to the back of the device, you can clearly see the heart rate monitor. This is what enables the device to track your heart as well as your sleeping patterns. The Mi Band 2 also has an Ip67 rating. This means it's waterproof and dustproof up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Along with the device comes a small USB charger. However, this charger is not magnetic, so you will have to clip it in order to charge. Now let's talk about the display. While it's an OLED display, it still does not display color. However, you don't really need it on a device like this. The display is mainly used to show the time, your steps and heart rate, and for some light, quick notifications. Speaking of notifications, in order to get these, you're going to have to download the Mi Fit app from the App Store, or if you're on an Android device, the Google Play Store. Now the app allows you to select different types of notifications depending on what you choose to track. There are many different options when it comes to this, such as workouts, steps, and even sleep pattern tracking. Everything is synced with your Mi Fit and Device Health app, and you can look back at your history to see how you fared for that particular day. Last but not least, Xiaomi claims that the battery can last up to 20 days on a single charge. And while I wasn't able to test this out completely, as you can see, with normal usage as well as nightly sleep tracking, the device currently sits at 26% after 13 days. Now this is pretty incredible considering that most top-tier fitness devices only last about a week. Now you may be asking the question, why should I buy the Mi Band 2 over the competitors? And the answer lies in the price. The Mi Band 2 currently retails for $29, whereas the cheapest Fitbit retails for around $60. That's over 50% less than the Fitbit, and its functionality pretty much remains the same. In the end, the Mi Band 2 is a great affordable option for those looking to do some basic fitness and health tracking. It has an Ip67 rating, can track your heart rate, and give you basic notifications. And for $29, it's hard to ask of anything more. Well, that seems to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content. Comment down below. And until next time, peace.